Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 13, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. Now on HUAWEI's it matters which side you swipe down on, so make sure you do it on the right side. And then here you'll find a bunch of toggles. We can swipe down again, and this will extend the list of them, which also reveals screen recording. You can tap on this, select agree. We have this overlay right here. It does automatically start recording. I did turn off the microphone as it is enabled by default. So right now whatever you'll do will be recorded by the device. So just open something like a browser. Once you're done, you can click where the timer is, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your gallery application. And you can see it right here. Now, later on, if you're looking for your screen recordings, it might be easier to find it by going into the albums, in which you will find screenshots, and that's also where you have screen recordings. Just give it a moment. And you can see everything. So I do want to point out there is a little bit of a limit to this because technically this is still Android. It still abides by the same kind of rules. So certain applications can implement protection to themselves, which basically prevent your screen recording from being able to see them. So what you end up having is a black screen, and most of those applications will be garbage apps that have no business using it, like Netflix. Which the feature is designed for privacy and security of the user, but what it is protecting and securing is the privacy of the corpo ass. That is completely disregarding that this is your device and that you have not even gave any permission to the application nor agreed to the terms of service. I am pointing that out super clearly because I find it absolutely intrusive, which shouldn't come as a surprise considering corpos just seem to think that personal privacy is not a fucking thing. Now, some of the times this kind of feature is being used in a correct way. So if you have a bank application, it's also being used there, but you can imagine that is done to protect the user's privacy and security. It's your bank information. So yeah. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.